nan dai di tiang ke hak lai apakat naka chim kadu mi chu nan za pi chunga khen ka lom tak te maka yamasa chim kadu young people you rock come on applause yourself give a big hand you did a good job the reason I came because I believe in you I believe that you can do this. Yes? I believe that you will fly. And I believe that you are flying. And I just came here to be a part of this. And I told my husband this. I love being with young people because they make me feel young. No offense, older people. I don't want to be beside you because you made me feel so old. Because I want new idea, I want new insight, I want new energy, I want new positive change happen in our community. For that, I applaud all the leadership of CYO and then also all the leaderships of CYO in all across the world. Rampi chung zangwa sise atu ramlang zangwa sise umi CYO minau shroi tu nale minau vialte nanza pi chunga pathian ni atharin chwa imbe chingau na se adau na pika yacha kan du mina chu lai mi le pathian hi chu kan I ten kholo yes lai mi le pathian hi chu kan I ten kholo. The Bible says wisdom comes from God. Wisdom, the beginning of wisdom is the fear of God. So I want to encourage all the young people today, wherever you are, always hold on to God, believe in God, and go with God. One of the reason why we are here, why we are in the position of as a vice president of Myanmar, and I believe truly in my heart that it was only because of God. God is faithful, and as well as He called us to be faithful to Him as well. So I hope that you are inspired by the stories that you heard about us, and I hope one of the person that wrote this, the person says, before my husband became vice president, we don't even dare to dream. We don't even dare to dream to the position of vice president. But you know what? Right now, young people, we dare to dream. Now we dare to dream. I hope that you are challenged. Not only that, I hope that you are challenged to be the best that you can be. And I want to encourage you this, that if you are in a bachelor level, I wish that you will go for master. If you are master, I hope for you that you will go for PhD. Because you know what? You can do it. If you set your mind, you can do it. This is one thing I told my children, and I want to leave them with you. I told my children that we started education without knowing English very much. Like last night, I told you that 2 nights ago, I told you that I started with not even able to speak English very well. But if a person like me can achieve PhD, then those that are already speaking English very well. You can go like 3 PhDs. Yeah? You can do it if you want to. But I want to tell you one thing also. If PhD is not for you, if education is not for you, I want to encourage you as well. Whatever it is you do in business, there is one thing I want to encourage you. Young people of Chimp, young people, please create, think, and then also do businesses, creative, entrepreneurship, all those things. Be creative, be different. You don't have to be like anybody else. Be different. Do not apologize to be different, but do something about it. But whenever you do it with an excellent spirit. Do it with an excellent spirit. Do it with an excellent spirit. May God bless you as you go in your journey. And I hope that you are inspired. And I am looking forward to hearing how you have achieved from after you've gone back. And also be inspire someone. Be inspire someone. Thank you.